Hello students, welcome to NeoTeach. This is Srinivas Brahmoji. Today I am going to teach some programs based on the operators. Recently we completed 8 types of operators. So that's what we are going to check whether you are able to gain that knowledge or not. So just you can examine the knowledge by using these programs. Okay. So just you can pause the video and try to solve these programs, like try to write in Dev C++ or whatever platform you want to write. Okay, just at least by your own you try to write some programs. So I will go through like easier program to moderate and critical programming things. Like this is the beginning, so that's what we are going to discuss regarding the basic programming concepts. Okay. So based on the operators, I am giving few programs here. So see here. So what is the question first? See, write a program to find the sum of and average of given 3 numbers. This is our requirement. So whenever you want to write the program, just keep some points in your mind. See, first identify the requirement in this given question. Okay. So here what they are asking to find, so just finding the sum and average of given 3 numbers. So for that we required minimum 3. See here, A, comma, B, comma, C we required. Okay. So 3 values we are going to input. So after that one more variable we required summation. So that sum is equals to, we are going to find A plus B plus C. Sum of given 3 numbers. Okay. So then after that we are going to find the average. So average is equals to A, which I am taking here. Already we find that sum. So sum of quantities by number of quantities. This formula we are going to find. Okay. So now you just see how many variables required. 3. So 3 integer type variables you can input, and one more summation variable we required, and float type average we required. So totally 5 variables we required. Okay. So let's see how we can execute this program. So for that we are going to work with the Dev C++. Now let me open that Dev C++. Go to file and click on new and click on source file. Okay. So now here write a program to find the sum and average of given 3 numbers. Done. So this is our requirement done. Next, after that so what we want to do here, hash include as usual link section stdio.h required. Okay. So link section successfully completed. Now int or void main. So you take int main in Dev C++, and here we are declaring. So declaration part is important. So just previously we analyzed how many variables we required. Okay. So as per this requirement we need A comma B comma C and sum. 4 are the integer, and one more variable we required, float type, that is avg I want to take. Why? Because divided by something we may have the chance of getting pointed values. So that's what float avg I want to take. Okay. Now so declaration part is completed. So declaration of variables done. Now initialization. So initialization means giving the values to the variable. Okay. So for that we are taking output statement to display enter A comma B comma C values, or else you can directly give enter any 3 numbers. Okay. So after this user will input 3 values. Those we can catch by using the scanf function. So scanf function will read those values by using the formatting code %d and placing those values into the address of A, and one more into the address of B, and third one into the address of C, like this. Okay. Now, so calculation part means initialization completed till here. Now we are going to do operation. So what operation we are going to do here? Summation they are asking. So sum is equals to a plus b plus c. Okay. So a plus b plus c. This complete a plus b plus c value will be assigned into sum. Okay. So after this we are going to find the average. AVG is equals to that sum divided by 3, because the average formula we know that sum of quantities by number of quantities. Now let me take output printf function, and here summation is equals to some percentile d, because that is the new decimal value as an integer we declared. And after printing this, we transferring the control to the next line by using the \n, means new line. And now AVG value, so average value. Okay, average value is equals to percentile f, because this is floating point. So after this we giving like first variable is sum, second variable is AVG, right? So this first formatting code percentile d will be formatted with the value of SUM, and second formatting code percentile f formatted by AVG value. Okay. So after this we go to file and click on the save button to save the file, and now here like sum avg.c, just saving this program. So already one program is there, I want to replace it. Okay. Now I want to compile this program. See, compilation successfully done, no errors and no warnings, and I want to run this program. So click on this button. See, just we got output enter a comma b comma c value. So I am giving that 3 comma 6 comma 4. See, so 6 plus 4 10 plus 3 13 divided by 3, so 4 point something we got. Okay. So this is one thing, and so we can also run this program. Again I am compiling, so again running this program, giving some values like 2, 6 and 8. See, sum result came, sum is equals to 16 and average equals to 5 point something. Okay, like this. So this is the program, like we can run the program and continue practicing. Let us go to next program, that is write a program to find the area and perimeter of a circle. Okay. So here also same, as I said, we analyze the question first. Write a program to find the area and perimeter of a circle. So what is this? First let me analyze this. Suppose take one circle, and here we are giving this radius value. This is the radius. Okay. So if we input our value and we are going to find area and perimeter. So what is this? Area is equals to pi r square. So pi r square. Okay. So we know that pi means 22 by 7. 22 by 7, that means like 3.14 something like this. And p value means perimeter means 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Okay. So by this example we can write here in place of pi we can write 3.14 into r and r. Technically we can write r into r. Okay. Here also we can write like 2 into this pi value 3.14 into r value, like this. So this is the formula we are going to find, and this is also one more formula we are going to find. So finally how many variables we require? We are going to input r value and we are finding a and p value, area and perimeter. So we take this r value as a integer and these two values we will take as a float value, because pi value is 3.14 floating point. Okay, that's what we will take. Okay, now let me do this one by using Dev C++. Right, so here I will go to new. I'm just opening the source file. Here I will write the program. So write a program to find the area and the perimeter of circle. Perimeter of circle. Okay. So here hash include as usual stdio.h, done, and here int main, and inside the main function, so declaration part, here r value, and by using float area comma perimeter. Okay, 3 variables declaration done. Now generate the output statement like enter r value or enter radius value. Okay, so now read that value by using scanf function and use %d and place it into address of r. Done, initialization completed. Now what do you do? Finding area. So area equals to what? Pi r square. So what is the pi value? 3.14 into r into r. So pi r square is completed. Now perimeter p is equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into pi value is 3.14 into r value. Okay. So now we will take the output of these two values as a result, like area is equals to %f and a new line. Now perimeter is equals to %f. First value is area, second value is perimeter, like this. Okay, so now let me save this. Go to file and click on the save, or else Ctrl S is okay. Area.c. Now let me compile. No errors, no warnings, and run this. I am giving r value 3. See, area value is something like 28.26000. Perimeter value is like 18.84000. So we got like this. Now let's move to another program. So the next question is, write a program to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so in the same way you can analyze this. You know already how to find circle, area of a circle and perimeter of a circle. Now in the same way you can draw the rectangle and you can try to solve it. Okay, so see here, simply this is the rectangle, like this. Now this is the L, this is the L, and this is the B, and this is also B. Okay, so length and breadth. Now, so if you want to find the area, here area is equals to L into B, length into breadth. And if you want to find the perimeter, you know that 2 into L plus B, like this. Okay, so according to these two formulas, what are the input values? L and B are the input values. What you are going to find? Area and perimeter you are going to find. So these two values you can take as either integer or float, but these two must be, these also like same, either integer or float. Okay, anything is okay. So I want to take like all are integer type. Okay, so let me write this program. So again I want to move to this there C++, and here go to open this new source file, and here in this write a program to find the area and perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so hash include stdio.h, and here int main inside this integer what we require, length, breadth. We are going to find area and perimeter. So declaration completed. In this printf function ask to enter L comma B values, means length and breadth of rectangle. In detail also you can give. Okay, you can in detail also you can write like that, enter length and breadth of a rectangle. Okay, so scanf function, inside the scanf function %d and here address of L and address of B. So length and breadth we did. So area is equals to L into B, and perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B, 2 into L plus B. So like this we find these two values, and as usual we take the output of these two values, like area is equals to %d, new line, and perimeter is equals to %d, the first one A, second one B. Okay, so like this we will run this program. What is this? Area underscore rect.c. Now I want to compile this program. Compilation done, no errors and no warnings. Running this program. See, enter L comma B values, like I want to give length is 4 and breadth is 2. See, area equals to 8 and perimeter equals to 12, like this. Now we will check one more program, so which is like write a program to find the area and perimeter of a square. So just you can go ahead with this logic. So you try to solve this program. See, same like previous only, but here the square we are going to do. Square means what? Side A, another side A, another side A, another side A. 4 sides are equal. So better to take some other value. Better to take some other values, like say this is S for side, yes, 4 sides are equal here. So like this, the area we can find, like this area we can find S into S, side into side, S square. Perimeter also you can find like 4S. S plus S plus S plus S, 4S. Like these two you can use to find the area and perimeter of this square. Okay, so take all our integer and you can try this program. Okay, if anybody having the doubt, just contact me. I will explain this. Next we will go for the another program. See here, like write a program to find the net salary of employee when basic salary is given, and 15% HRA means human resource and allowances, 10% TA means traveling allowances, and 7% DA, dearness allowance, 10% PF provident fund, and 15% IT income tax on basic salary are given. Okay, example purpose I am given some other percentages, they are not actual, so just only for example I given these percentages. Okay, here how to calculate? See, first we should take some basic salary which we are going to input. Okay, based on this we are going to calculate HRA, right? HRA, how much on basic salary, how much percentage? 15 divided by 100, this we are going to find. And after that TA, so traveling allowance also we are going to find on basic salary how much? 10%, so 10 by 100, like this. And DA also, the DA is equals to on basic salary how much percentage? Like 7%, so 7 divided by 100. And next PF, the PF also, see DA, sorry, PF, after DA, PF, Provident Fund, that if PF is equals to on basic salary it's 10%, so 10 by 100. And after that this IT, income tax is equals to on basic salary 15 divided by 100, like this. Okay, so now you examine, so basic salary, if you want you take integer or float. Okay, and but all these are like float is required because divided by something, and better to take all are float. Okay, so I will write this program, so let me check. Now let me go to Dev C++ and open this source file. Here I am just pasting this question. Now hash include stdio.h, and here int main inside this. So I will take all our float basic salary and net salary we required. So if you want you take the gross salary also, IT, or else order HRA, TA, DA, PF and IT. So these many variables we require. Now you ask to enter the values, like enter basic salary of employee. So now scanf function percentile F ampersand BS, basic salary input done. Now HRA we are calculating on basic salary 15%, 15 divided by 100, done. And next TA, that equals to on basic salary how much TA given, like 10%, so 10 divided by 100. Next what? DA, dearness allowance, it also like 7%, it is 7%. So BS on basic salary 7 divided by 100. These are only for the example, not exact values. And PF, Provident Fund, is equals to on basic salary 10%, so 10 divided by 100. And now what is this? IT, income tax or service tax, BS is equals to, or BS into how much? 15 divided by 100, done. So like all calculations done. Let me close this. So gross salary is equals to, what do you mean by gross salary? Basic salary plus like add-ons. What are the add-ons? HRA, plus TA plus DA means basic salary with extra allowances considered as a gross salary. Net salary means after deductions, means gross salary minus deductions what we payable. So what are the payable? Provident fund and income tax we need to pay. So that's what they are, the deductions. Now you can print it. So printf basic salary is equals to percentile F new line, that value is BS, basic salary. Next, printing this, printf net salary is equals to percentile F, that value is NS. Okay, so Control S, you can save this program, basic salary.c. I want to run this program, and before that compiling, there is no errors and there is no warnings. Now run the program. Example, I am giving 10,000. 10,000 is the basic salary. So based on that, basic salary 10,000, but net salary is 10,700 rupees. Like this we can calculate that. Now let's move to next topic. So next program we will go. In the next program, write a program to find the given year is leap year or not. Okay, as we know that a leap year is coming like for every 4 years, we know that. So somebody will consider like a year which is divisible by 4 is called as a leap year, right? And somebody will say like a year which is divisible by 100 and a year which is divisible by 400. Okay, so as we know that a leap year consists 1 day extra in February, like instead of 28, 29 days are there overall. Instead of 365, it will be like 366. So that's the number of days. So here we will analyze like this. Basically, a year which is divisible by 4 and divisible by 400 but not divisible by 100. Okay, so because this condition is mandatory before going to write that. Okay, because see here, leap year for like 2000 is a leap year, 1996 is a leap year. Okay, not leap year. See, 1800 and 1900, it is divisible by 100. But it's not a leap year. Okay, remember. So to make sure that a leap year, simply you write the code like a year which is divisible by 4 and at the same time which is divisible by 400 and but not divisible by 100. Okay, so this will be the main criteria. So that's what we will implement this program. So for this we need to go to Dev C++. So let me open Dev C++ and here I want to write this program. So go to file and click on the new and source file. Here I will write this program. See, write a program to find the given year is leap year or not. Okay, so now a link section hash include stdio.h and after this I will write the int main function I am writing here. Now declaration, only one variable required because we are going to input 1 year. Okay, integer, year means YR I am taking, YR means year. Now let me take output generation like enter any year. By seeing this, user will input one value, that I will read by using percentile D, that is YR. Which one? Address ampersand YR. So initialization done successful. Now, so take the decision now. So this is if condition. Inside this if condition, I want to write this, that year modular by 4 equals to 0. So that means what? The year needs to be divisible by 4. Okay. So after that, mandatorily means logical and mandatorily any one of the following. Mandatorily any one of the following. What are any one? The same year modular by 400, modular by 400, or in the sense logical or. Anyone means optionality. So logical or. Here I want to take that year modular by 100 not equals to 0. Okay. So like this, out of these two, anyone along with this first condition. Okay. So that means what? The year which is divisible by 4 needs to be divisible by 400 or it need not to be divisible by 100, any one of these two. Okay, along with the first condition, any one of the second or third one. Okay, if all these expressions satisfy, means overall condition is true, in that case printf percentile D is a leap year. That is what? YR, the year available in YR. Now, else if the condition false, then simply it prints the percentile D is not a leap year. That is what? YR. YR means year. So let me save this. LP dot leap YY.c. Now compilation process. So what happened here? Integer YR, enter any year. So semicolon gone. See, we forgot semicolon here. Now resave and compile this, no errors and no warnings, and run this program. So now I am giving 2000 as a year. So see, 2000 is a leap year. Now let me check another one. I want to check this 1800. 1800 is not a leap year, correct. Next, I want to check one more. Here I want to run this 2023. It's not a leap year. Okay, next, what is the coming year? 2024. So 2024, it's a leap year. Okay, so like this we can run the programs. So few programs I discussed here, and you can try more and more programs, and if you have any doubt, just you ask me directly. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.